Yeah, one more lap. Here I go. What? No! 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 Ow! If this has ever happened to you, you know what it feels like when one of these power-hungry devices we use suddenly dies. That's why having a quality power bank such as the Anker Powercore 313 Slim 10,000 mAh battery bank is essential for everyday life. My name is Dan Hansen and welcome to the channel, where I review products and gadgets to save you time and money. Let's dive right in. Anker is one of the most, if not the most popular brand of rechargeable battery banks and chargers on Amazon for good reason. What they state for battery capacity is truth, unlike a lot of brands out there who like to embellish or even flat out lie about their capacity of their battery banks. The tests I performed on this battery pack did not disappoint. At a price of $21.99 at current recording, you can't go wrong with this budget-friendly battery bank. The test I performed showed a capacity of 8,016 milliamps, which is good. Right now you're probably asking yourself, Dan, I thought you just said it was a 10,000 milliamp battery bank. Well, it is. The industry standard for testing these battery banks is that the battery first, before the power flows through the USB port. Understand?
Huh?
Let me clarify a little more. The battery starts off at 3.7 volts at the battery. Then it goes through a little control board. It has a little power booster on there that bumps the voltage up to 5 volts, which our devices need to charge. So in the process, it leads up to 20% efficiency. So a 10,000 milliamp battery pack turns into an 8,000 of usable power. So remember that when you're shopping around for portable battery packs in the future. Next, let's take a look at how to charge your new battery bank. The instructions say to charge it for full 24 hours for the very first charge. You don't have to do this. Whatever battery charger you have, the battery bank's going to shut off automatically after it's fully charged. In the charge test I performed, it took me 6 hours to completely recharge the battery bank from zero using my Anker Power Cube, which puts out 2.4 amps of power. Now this battery bank only has a maximum charge rate of 2 amps, and as you see in my test, that's what I was charging at. Now you will need your own USB charger for this. It does not come with one. It only comes with a micro USB cable for recharging the battery bank, or you could use that cable for charging small devices that require like a micro USB type plug-in. The type of charger you use to recharge your power bank will determine on how fast it can actually recharge. You want to look on the back of your charger and actually see where it states the actual output of amps. A lot of them will say 1.5, 1 amp, 2.4 amps, 3 amps. The higher the better. But remember, this can only charge at a maximum rate of 2 amps. If you're finding any kind of value out of this video so far, please consider hitting the like button down below. It helps the channel out. Now, for some reason you don't have a USB charger, I recommend Anker's Elite 24 watt charger. It's only $13.99 on Amazon. It's a great buy. I'll put a link down below for you. Let's take a closer look on the charge ports on this battery bank. It has a Type-C and a micro USB plug-in on these. These are both inputs, not outputs. Do not plug your devices into these ports for charging. It will not work. You're going to want to use the USB-A plug-in next to it. This is going to allow you to use all the different types of USB cables you might have for all your devices. This is your output. You might be wondering what those letters IQ mean next to the USB-A port. That's Anker's exclusive fast charging technology that intelligently identifies your device to deliver the fastest possible charge. Let's take a look at some of the features this power bank has. Let's say you want to charge your earbuds. This power bank has what's called a trickle charge mode. When it's used, it will provide a low output charge to your device and to prevent the power bank from turning off before it's fully charged. You can activate the trickle charge mode by pushing the button twice. The green light will turn on indicating you're in trickle mode. Hit the button once and it'll turn off the trickle mode. If your device takes a USB port to charge it, most likely you can charge it with this battery bank. I performed a charge test on my phone. I used a Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. It took me 2 hours to completely charge this battery up, consuming 3,249 milliamps of power at a charge rate of 2 amps, which is maximum output of this battery bank. Even though you can charge a lot of things with this power bank, there are some things you just can't. Such as laptops that require a higher output of say 65 watts. this has a maximum of only 12 watts output, so it will not work. If this is something you're looking for, I'll have links down below of a couple options for you that I recommend. I'd like to thank you guys for watching Deal Geek. Please consider hitting the subscribe and notification bell so you don't miss upcoming videos. And as always, God bless you and your family, and I'll see you guys next time.